The projector screen, look at this. I just hit one up and it automatically stops whenever it hits the end of it, right? So you don't have to worry about, you know, stopping it anywhere. I like that it just came pre-programmed like that. That's something I didn't add into it. So if you guys are looking all around projector screen, this is one of the best ones I've seen so far. You're gonna need at least 104 inches across, right? And if you notice, I'm gonna have to get chains. Right now I put some very heavy duty zip ties, I'm sorry. So this thing is huge. I mean, like, it is humongous. I'm gonna show you guys how big it is compared to me. It is big. It is big. So I'm gonna put my projector from here to there and see how that works. Get that going, because we're having a festival here and want to be able to play games or something like that. So this is a perfect thing. I'll show you my projector, how I set it up. So this is it right here, guys. Set it up on the ceiling high, ready to play. I'm gonna show you a little bit of gaming. My stick and just a regular chair, nothing else. Gaming system's there. Got a long cable connected to the actual projector. I got the remote ready. So stick shift here, really sensitive. So 2